Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past, although I haven't done it too recently. And that's where these green lines are coming from. And from that perspective, last time I did do it, these green lines were considered areas of support, but those supports have been broken since then. And you can see with the price breaking below them, the downwards drift has happened, with today being quite an eventful day. The first 30 minutes is where the majority of the volume took place. You can see the big volume bar right there. And then after that, price slowly drifted downwards. Although, to give the bull some credit, the final 30 minutes being represented by this candle right here. Nice final 30 minutes of the day. Is this the start of something bigger? That remains to be seen. But let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out, and that'll help us answer the question: is this the start of something or not? So first thing though, let's just do a little house cleaning. Going to get rid of that, and then I'm going to use this line down here. Yes, those lines where I had them still do pertain, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So just want to keep this as clean as possible. So the first level that really made itself apparent today in terms of levels of support is 31 cents. Several occasions today, the bears try to press down below there, including there, and then this afternoon. And to give credit where credit's due to the bulls, every single time the bulls said, no, we're not letting you push the price down any further, and plenty of buyers showed up at 31 cents. So as things stand right now, 31 cents is the new current level where people find it a good enough deal to want to buy. Now, are people going to continue to find 31 cents as a good enough deal? Nothing's going to tell you that, but as far as the chart is telling us right now, that is where the price stopped bleeding every single time. So obviously by default, okay, well that means that there is enough people willing to buy at 31 cents. So that is definitely that key level of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is below that purple line, the bears are in full control. So yeah, the bulls are showing some signs of strength here, but there's still a lot more work to be done. And that's the cool thing about charts. I realize work to be done is just a general statement, but with charts you can quantify statements. So I'm going to quantify the statement work to be done by the first step, getting up above that purple line and then staying up above it. So rough day overall, however, nice final 30 minutes. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon the 30 minutes and get at least the price stabilize, if not, get a bounce tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.